Hey guys, it's Cindy from Barefoot Adventures and Barefoot Farm.
What's in your hand?
Chicken crack.
Oh, chicken crack.
We're going to introduce you to our chicken family. We have 3 new little teeny tiny additions.
Oh, they're so cute.
So stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. We're going to introduce you to our chicken family.
And while we're walking, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Hit that red subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss any of our new videos coming out.
So the bulk of these are babies that hatched back in January. And then we have 3 new babies that hatched.
Sorry about
Sunday.
We got a makeshift coop here, guys.
Come on, guys.
There's all the chickens. Chickens! KFC! Run! Oh, they love, yeah, look. They love this chicken crack. I think my wife made up that name. It's not really called that. Here they come, like little race cars coming out of there. Shoot! Oh. Where's the babies? Oh, I see the babies. Let's go see the babies, guys. Down here with Mama. I don't know if you can see them. And look at how little they are.
So, with the latest batch of babies, these 3, I am 98% sure that the daddy is that rooster right there. He's a little Sarama. So these are going to be tiny babies. This mom is a Wyandotte, so she's a full-size chicken.
Can you guys see them? They're so cute. Look at them. They're so little. They're like wherever Mama goes, they're right on her tail.
So the mom is either this Wyandotte or the black and brown one over there. That is a silky Sarama mix.
Look at them.
The rest of these babies, I guess my adolescents, their dad is most likely
There's the papa.
the 2, my 2 silky roosters that were taken by a coon that got into the coop. Now you can see some of these are Wyandotte babies. The rest of them, with all the fuzzy and the fuzzy feet, those are silky babies. They're Bantam chickens, so they're little. So unfortunately the hawks can get them very easily. We've lost quite a few to hawks. Somebody's come out front. Come here, guys. And guess what? They love banana. Come get your Nana. I love it when my little fluffy butts come up front. I just don't want the hawks to see them out here. But they love, whoops. Yeah, Mom can't throw. They love their Nana. And I hear the hawk. Can you guys hear him? They also steal banana from each other. We don't know if they're hens or roosters yet. The silkies take longer to mature. I have a feeling, though, I have a lot of roosters in this group. I think these 2 white ones right there are going to be roosters. They are the former assholes babies. I had a white silky who absolutely hated me, and every time I went outside out there he would attack me, even when I'm bringing him food, and he would get kicked like a football, and it didn't faze him. And I think At least one of the black ones, I think, is gonna, well, he's kind of silvery. I think he's gonna be a rooster. We kind of call him PJ, Pepper Jr., because my black silky rooster that was taken by a raccoon, his name was Pepper. And I think that spotted one with the red, I think that's going to be a rooster. So that'll be a Wyandotte rooster. And that's the hawk again, so they're all going to run and hide. Good little chickens. You hide from that mean old hawk. So anyways, that's more of the fluffy butts. So that's it from our little farm. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our chickens, and I will see you around the campfire.